Alright guys, so if you've seen my channel before, you know how much I have had a dislike for the Apple Clear case. Now, this year, I think that they made a major change, and it was my biggest issue before that I had with the case. Pretty sure they fixed it. So today we are looking at the Clear case from Apple. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. Now, starting off with the box, you are just gonna get a picture of the case here. It's gonna say iPhone 16 Pro Max, Clear case with MagSafe. And of course, mine came a little bit damaged. That's all right, no big deal. And on the back, you're not really gonna get any other information. Just, it says iPhone 16 Pro Max Clear case, shows you a picture how to install it, and the price on this one is $49. And of course, links will be down in the description below for you guys to check this out. So, taking a look at what's inside of the packaging, go ahead and open this up, and pretty much all you're gonna get is your Clear case, and of course, some little regulatory information. So we can go ahead and set all that to the side and take a look. Now, you just get this little cardboard right here, nothing crazy, we'll move that as well. So starting off with the back, you are just going to get this clear case. It's really nothing to it, to be honest with you. You are going to get your MagSafe magnet right there and your alignment magnet, as well as your camera ring right there. Now going along to the inside of the case, it is going to have that MagSafe ring with the alignment magnet there, just like on the outside. Same material all the way around, and it is going to say designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Now, one thing you know about Apple's cases is you're going to get that MagSafe animation when you do use it. Now going around on the inside, you are just going to get this plastic material that goes all the way around. All of your buttons have it, and your camera control button here has a little bit of a different material, so that way you do get the touch sensitivity and the click from that. And pretty much that's it, guys. You get no real drop protection on this. I mean, it's gonna help you with those little nicks and dings, a few drops here and there, but nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale, then we'll get our caliper and we'll take a look. So are we in grams? Yeah, we're in grams. I don't know what's been going on. All right, so we are looking at 34 grams. So not the heaviest case in the world, but also not the lightest. You don't really feel the weight on this thing too much. It's a pretty comfortable case to use. Now, I have noticed before that with the bottom of these cases, you may have a little bit of a pinky destroyer on your hands, but it hasn't been too bad with this case. Now, going ahead over to our caliper, let's bring that over here, and we'll start off from front to back. And we are looking at 11.2 millimeters, and from inside to outside, we are looking at 2 millimeters exactly. So not the thickest case in the world. Now let's go ahead and bring over our natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we'll put this thing into the case. So let's listen out for that click. Very nice click on this one. Of course, you are going to get that animation that we just missed. So let's go ahead and just try that one more time for cinematics. Now, this thing is a little bit difficult to get off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Don't get on me for how I just took it off of my phone. You do kind of have to prop it out wherever you can. So we'll try that one more time. There's our animation. Yeah, there we go. Animation, and of course, you're only going to get that from Apple cases. So how does this thing fit on the phone? Let's check out those corners. 1, of course, very good. 2, good. 3, and 4. So you are going to get pretty good clicks on the top 2 corners. However, I would like to see this a little bit of a stiffer fit on the bottom because it's a little more loose than what I would like to see. Now, taking a look at the sides, very nice stiff sides going all the way around, as you would expect from Apple. Even around the buttons, you do have to give it a good bit of force before that is going to give it any movement. Same thing with the camera button right here. Top is good, and of course the bottom is wide open, so there's nothing to test there. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the sides. Now, starting off with the top, you are going to have it completely closed in. On the left-hand side, you are going to get that action button, volume up and down, and the rest of it will be closed in here. Moving along to the bottom, you are going to get a wide open bottom here, so really nothing to test there. We don't have to bring over our USB Type-C port, but one thing about this bottom that is different, in my opinion, than previous models, the previous years, I should say, is this bottom is not a pinky destroyer like it used to be. I don't know if they rounded it out a little bit better or what, but if you're holding your phone like this, if you're someone like I am and you hold your phone here, you will be good to go with that. It's not going to dig into your pinky at all. And then moving along to the right-hand side, that was the left. To the right-hand side, we do have our camera control button there, our power button, and the rest of it is closed in. Now, of course, with an Apple case, you are going to get that Apple camera control button. So testing that out, I don't even think we really have to. Go ahead and click that. And of course, you can sit here, swipe over, zoom in, zoom out, do exactly what you have to do, and even take a picture of ourselves. Take a look at that. There we go. Boom. Everything is good to go with this button. So you're going to be good. If you get the Apple Clear case, if you're somebody who likes this button is going to give you no issues. All of your functionalities are, of course, going to work. Your touch sensitivity is going to be 100% A1, good to go. And that's pretty much it with that button. There's really not much more to say because it's an Apple button. Apple's had the phone. They were the ones who made the phone, so they better have that button down packed. If they didn't, we would have a problem, right? So anyways, let's go ahead and move over to that MagSafe. Now, of course, with this clear case, you are going to get those clear case fingerprints. So let's go ahead and give this a nice little wipe down, make it look nice. I might have some fingerprints on the inside of the case. I'm not about to take it out and wipe that down. So we're just gonna have what we have. Now, starting off with the Apple MagSafe wallet, go ahead and put that on. You are going to get your MagSafe animation there. And let's see. This thing is definitely going to be fine woven and leather MagSafe wallet approved. It is not going anywhere. You are going to have to kind of give it a little bit of force for this to come off. Going around to our Apple MagSafe battery pack, attach that. That was kind of anticlimactic, but either way, we are getting that animation. And let's see how it is going to go with our shake test. Now you're just gonna shake it, shake it, shake it like it owes you money. Shake, 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 shake. You are good to go. You're not going to have any issues with this. You are going to also have to kind of give it a little bit of force to take that off. Now, if you see, I even had to just like pull that off for it to come off. So you are absolutely going to be good to go with your MagSafe battery packs. And finally, going over to our Anchor 623, we'll go ahead and set that down, and it's going to pick it up with, with no issues for the most part. You are going to have to give it a little bit of shake of that wrist in order for that to come off, but not the biggest deal in the world. And going along to our 360-degree rotation test, go ahead and type in your texts, your emails, swipe through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, which, by the way, make sure you guys do follow me over there. Links are down in the description below. But either way, you will be good to go with that. Go ahead and switch over to landscape mode, watch your favorite Brian's Tech video, rewind, fast forward, play, pause. You are going to be good to go with that. And of course, good MagSafe for the most part. Now, do I recommend the Apple Clear case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? And this year, they have fixed the one issue that I had, which I actually haven't talked about yet. You see where I'm at with this. I'm still a little rusty from all that. But anyways, the one issue I've always had with this thing is that it was a bar of soap. It was super slippery before. This year, I have literally been using this case for the last, 3-4 days, and I've had zero slippage out of my hands. Is that a word, slippage? Zero slippage out of my hands. It has been very nice to use. I've had no problems with it whatsoever, and no pinky destruction, not slippery at all. It's actually even less slippery than the Beats case, to be honest. Whereas before, I would have never said that about the Apple Clear case. I would always say that this thing was slippery as an ice cube or a bar of soap or whatever else you guys know that's slippery. I don't know. Let's keep it about phone cases here. But yeah, it's not been slippery at all, and I have actually really been enjoying this case. So $50, $49. I would like to see that price come down to like $30. I don't think this is something that's worth $50. If it could go down, or if you can find it on sale, I know Best Buy sometimes has it for like $41, $42. Not the biggest deal in the world there. It's not that much different, but still something is something. I would recommend this for a little bit less than $50. If you can find it on sale, why not? Pick it up, see how you like it, and let me know down below. Have you guys ever used the Apple Clear case? Are you interested in picking one up? Let me know down below. But anyways, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see me review the Apple silicone case, which by the way, I'm actually pretty impressed by it this year, that video is right there. If you want to see me unbox all 4 iPhone 16 Pro Max colors, that's right there.